Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. This foldable 1080p HD FPV drone is a beginner-friendly and kid-friendly quadcopter designed for easy, fun flying. It features a 1080p HD camera that provides decent quality aerial photos and videos. With first-person view, FPV, capability, users can stream live footage directly to their smartphone, enhancing the flying and recording experience. The drone includes optical flow positioning, which helps it hover steadily indoors and outdoors by sensing ground patterns, making it easier for beginners to control. It also offers one-key takeoff and landing, a valuable feature that lets the drone automatically lift off or land with the push of a button, reducing the risk of crashing. Fun features like 360 degrees flips and waypoint flying, where you can draw a flight path on your phone screen, add excitement and creativity to flying sessions. The drone also supports voice control, simple commands like takeoff and land, and gesture control, allowing users to take photos or videos by making hand gestures, making it very interactive for kids and first-time pilots. The design is foldable and lightweight, making it highly portable and easy to store in the included carrying case. Despite its compact size, it offers stable performance for casual flying. Other handy features include altitude hold, for stable hovering, headless mode, easier orientation for beginners, and emergency stop functions. Flight time per battery is moderate, and it's often bundled with extra batteries for extended fun. Overall, this 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is an excellent choice for beginners and kids. It combines essential safety features, simple controls, decent camera quality, and fun tricks like voice and gesture commands, all in a compact, affordable package ideal for learning and casual flying. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with 1080p FPV camera is a compact, beginner-friendly drone designed for kids and adults looking for easy and fun aerial photography. It features a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, allowing users to capture clearer images and videos from different angles. Real-time FPV, first-person view, lets you view live footage on your smartphone, adding excitement and immersion to your flights. This drone is equipped with altitude hold, which helps it maintain a stable hover automatically, making it easier for beginners to control. One-key takeoff/landing simplifies operation further. One button launches or lands the drone smoothly, reducing accidents. The drone supports gravity control, where tilting your smartphone moves the drone, and trajectory flight, which allows you to draw a custom flight path on the app for the drone to follow automatically. These smart features make flying more interactive and intuitive, especially for new users. Its foldable design makes the drone highly portable, and it comes with 2 batteries, extending your flying time significantly compared to models with only 1 battery. Each battery offers a moderate flight time, providing more opportunities for practice and fun. Additional features include headless mode, which eliminates concerns about the drone's orientation, and 360 degrees flips for aerial tricks that add excitement. The durable build and lightweight frame are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Overall, the Mini Drone with Camera is an excellent, budget-friendly choice for anyone wanting to explore drone flying. With its 1080p adjustable camera, stable altitude hold, easy controls, gravity sensing, and 2 batteries, it offers a perfect balance of functionality, portability, and fun, ideal for beginners, kids, and casual flyers alike. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The 2K HD FPV foldable drone is a feature-rich, beginner-friendly drone designed for kids and first-time flyers who want enhanced camera quality and easy controls. It's equipped with a 2K HD camera that delivers sharper, clearer images and videos compared to standard 1080p models, and it supports real-time FPV, first-person view, streaming to your smartphone for a more immersive flying experience. A major upgrade in this drone is the use of brushless motors, which are quieter, more powerful, and more durable than traditional brushed motors. This results in smoother flight performance, better wind resistance, and longer motor life, important benefits for users wanting more stable and reliable flying. The drone includes altitude hold to maintain steady hovering automatically, making it easier for beginners to capture stable photos and videos. Features like one-key takeoff/landing simplify control, while gesture selfie allows you to take pictures or videos by showing hand gestures, adding a fun and hands-free option for capturing memories. For more interactive flying, it offers 3D flips for aerial tricks and waypoint fly, letting you draw custom flight paths directly on the app. It also supports headless mode for easier orientation and emergency stop for added safety. This foldable drone is compact and portable, and it comes with 2 batteries, effectively doubling your flight time for extended practice or entertainment. Each battery provides a decent amount of flight time, allowing longer flying sessions without frequent recharging. Overall, the 2K HD FPV foldable drone offers an excellent blend of camera quality, flight stability, and user-friendly features like brushless motors, gesture control, and waypoint flying, making it an ideal choice for kids, beginners, and casual aerial photographers who want better performance and more fun without a steep learning curve. Number 4. Drone with camera. The drone with 1080p camera is a foldable quadcopter designed specifically for beginners and kids, combining simple controls with fun features. It is equipped with a 1080p HD camera, allowing users to capture clear aerial photos and videos, and supports real-time FPV transmission to a smartphone for a more immersive flying experience. To make operation easy, especially for young pilots, the drone features one-key start/landing, enabling smooth takeoffs and landings with a single press. Altitude hold technology helps the drone hover steadily at a fixed height, making it easier to take stable shots and reducing the learning curve for first-time flyers. Fun and interactive controls like voice control allow users to command the drone with simple phrases, such as takeoff or land, while gesture selfie mode enables hands-free photos and videos by recognizing hand gestures. This makes the drone more engaging and enjoyable, especially for kids. The drone also offers 3D flips, performing quick and exciting flips mid-air, and headless mode, which simplifies flight direction, so beginners don't need to worry about orientation. Emergency stop ensures quick landing in case of unexpected situations. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, and it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, effectively doubling your flight time for longer and more enjoyable play sessions. Lightweight and durable, it's well suited for both indoor and outdoor flying. Overall, this 1080p foldable drone is an excellent entry-level option for kids and beginners, offering a good balance of camera quality, safety features, and fun flight modes. With intuitive controls like voice and gesture commands, along with 2 batteries for extended fun, it's a great gift for boys and girls eager to explore the world of drones. Number 5. Mini drone with camera. The mini drone with 1080p camera is a foldable quadcopter designed for both beginners and adults who are looking for an easy-to-fly, feature-packed drone. It comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera, providing clear and sharp photos and videos. The FPV, first-person view, feature allows users to stream real-time footage directly to their smartphones, offering an immersive flying experience. One of the standout features of this drone is its 90 degrees adjustable lens, which allows users to adjust the camera angle for better shot compositions during flight. This is ideal for capturing different perspectives, whether you're flying indoors or outdoors. The drone is designed for easy control with features like altitude hold, which helps the drone maintain a steady hover automatically, making it easier for users to capture stable images and videos. The one-key takeoff/landing function simplifies operation by allowing the drone to lift off or land at the press of a button. This reduces the complexity for beginners and ensures smooth flights. For added fun, the drone offers 360 degrees flips, providing a fun and dynamic flying experience with exciting aerial tricks. This drone also comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, effectively doubling the flight time and providing more opportunities for practice or exploration. It is designed to be foldable, making it highly portable and easy to store, especially with the included carrying case. Overall, the mini drone with 1080p camera is a great gift for both adults and kids. It combines easy-to-use features, a clear camera, and fun flying capabilities like flips and adjustable camera angles, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore drone flying with a compact and affordable option.